Hello students, in this video we learn about the Lux-Flood concept of an acids and bases. You probably all heard the term acid and a base. What this term means? There are different theories that identify a particular characteristics which defines an acids and a base, such as the Arrhenius theory, for which chemist Arrhenius was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1903. The Bronsted-Lowry or proton donor theory of acids and bases, advanced in 1923. The Lewis or electron pair theory, which was also presented in 1923. And last but not the least, Lux-Flood theory. You may be thinking, why are there these different acid-base theories? Which acid-base theory is the most applicable? Why do we have so many definitions for acids and bases? Answer will be very simple. Each of these theory has its own advantages and disadvantages, and each is useful under certain conditions. Students, by the end of this presentation, you will be able to define what is an acid and a base according to Lux-Flood concept. Let us see who discovered the Lux-Flood concept of an acids and bases. Actually, this concept of acid-base reaction is proposed by Lux in 1939 and which is further improved by Flood in 1947. Instead of using proton or ion characteristics of the solvent, it visualizes the acid-base reaction in terms of the oxide ion and is mainly used for molten oxides at higher temperature. So, let us discuss the definition and example of acid and base according to Lux-Flood concept. What is a base? According to this concept, base is something that can donate an oxide ion. For example, CaO, MgO, PbO, Al2O3, Na2O, etc. These are the example of bases and they will donate its oxide ion. In contrast, what is an acid? According to this concept, acid is something that can accept an oxide ion. And example are CO2, SiO2, SO3, etc. These are the example of acids and they will accept oxide ion. Student, I would like to share some more example of this concept. You can see in this example as MgO is a base and SiO2 is an acid as per the definition of Lux-Flood concept, and therefore MgO will donate its oxide ion to this acid and finally it will convert into magnesium silicate. Similarly, in the reaction, PbO is a base and SO3 is an acid, and it's a result of this PbO will donate its oxide ion to SO3 and lastly it will convert into lead sulfate. Also, calcium oxide is a base and CO3 CO2 is an acid and therefore calcium oxide will donate its oxide ion to CO2 and it will convert into CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate. In the same way, calcium oxide is a base and SiO2 is an acid and calcium oxide will donate its oxide ion to SiO2 and will convert into calcium silicate. So, lastly, we can summarize the Lux flood concept describe acid-base behavior in terms of the oxides ion. These are the frequently asked questions on this topic and you can refer this book for more information.